Hey Gavin, I could be in Wallace and Gromit. Do my work.
Headbang!
What the heck?
Did you change the block going forward? This
went forward. No, I didn't.
you didn't listen to Seth?
No, he's gotta change how little it goes forward. Make it littler.
Yeah, but that's what I said.
Up wrong.
What did you do, Sam?
You made it go way too far back. Nope. Sam, it didn't turn it up now.
Go. Try again. Taking photos.
Oh, the battery's getting low.
What? Don't we have a? Do we have a charge? Do we have a?
Ours charges.
Do we have?
Do we have charge AA's?
Now it turned too much.
It's not turning too.
He hasn't done anything to it.
I think that it needs to charge because, like,
Batteries. The robot died.
That's dead.
So we have to use batteries.
Toby doesn't have it.
Batteries. Batteries.
Energize.
Seth, you're gonna hate me, but this is gonna look really cool.
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you do it.
Alright, we're gonna use these then. No, that was my test. Alright, that one doesn't get to get used. We're using these batteries. These batteries are the not
But this one's
batteries.
kind of wibbly. It's sideways.
I don't care. It's gonna work. Sam!
One fell.
That's actually a perfect number.
Yeah, you helped him. You're trying to
It
be
has
mean.
to work.
Plug this.
While it's charging, we could look for gyro sensor stuff.
That take two.
Well, charging's still gonna take a while, so we could just, blow this whole week.
Nope.
It doesn't have it.
What?
It don't have it.
Maybe we have to get it from like some third-party software system that's semi-legal.
Did you say semi-illegal?
Semi-legal. Semi-illegal
No.
is different. Wug. We can't find a gyro sensor block because they don't have it with their download. Why are you hanging on the ceiling? You guys are hanging on the ceiling.
Because I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Everyone's on the ceiling.
Sam, try to hit it hard.
The
enough and get
robot-
it into my hands.
Where did the set stand?
Oh!
You missed. What's supposed to happen? Oh.
Hey, you got the rain out. Wait, what if we did that? If we had the robot just smack that really hard and it knocked out the rain? That would be the coolest thing ever.
Have like some sort of arm that like goes up and then like lifts the whole robot up and then just drops it.
Drops it on there. It just annihilates it.
And then that shoots out and like lands in here. Lands in here and the rain comes out and that like falls into there.
I don't know how that would work, but
Detachable, it's like,
If it happens again, you're out.
and then if the robot just tries.
So, can you explain
oh, on the bounce.
between pipe construction and pipe replacement?
What? They're two completely different missions. Pipe
Hey!
We're consistently knocking that out, and you guys thought we weren't being productive during robotics. Come on.
Yeah. That was replacement.
Yeah, fail. Fail. I smacked it and he's... Today wasn't super long because we went in and watched some PowerPoints on gears and attachments and such, so there wasn't a lot to do, and we ended a little bit early, but we still did get the pushy mission thing done once, so that was good. What are you doing, Isaac?
Just getting your face better.
Nice. Okay. Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. I don't think all these batteries. Oh, this sucks.
No, I remember sitting